Today, we cover standard maintenance on your new VC5 dry vacuum. Above the suction area, you'll see a small pill-shaped notch. This contains the level which lets you know how full the bag is. By lifting open the front cover, you will have access to the bags. To remove the bag, hold the cardboard tab and pull up. To reinstall, align the two circular tabs shown and push down. The bag should sit flush with the bracket. If installed incorrectly, the lid will not close. Behind the bag is the motor filter. If this gets blocked, you will experience a lack of power, overheating, and in extreme cases, cutting out. To remove it, simply place your fingers under the cover and pull up. To prolong the life of this filter, every few uses, you may want to take a soft bristled brush and clean the filter. To reinstall this filter, align the notches on the covering with the notches on the vacuum and push down. At the back of the machine, there is a small filter which stops allergens from escaping back into the air during use. To prolong the life of this filter, you can take it out by pressing the tab on the rear cage down and lifting it out towards you. Then pull the filter out and dust it. If a large amount of dirt falls out, it may be time for a replacement. To reinstall this filter, align the shape of the filter to the shape of the slot on the machine and push it in. Then, catch the bottom clips of the cage and push in until it clicks. All replacement parts are available at Equip for You, in-store and online.